morning, welcome to AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds, and today we're bringing to the market a Audi Q8. It's a V6 Vorsprung. So as we go around, you'll see we've got the 22-inch Audi Sport wheels, and on the interior, two-stage memory seats with a Bang & Olufsen sound system, full quilted leather interior with white stitching. And it just gets better. So inside we've got the sliding glass pan roof with electric sunblind. We've got a 360 reverse camera, satellite navigation, all your creature comforts with your Bluetooth, your voice command, touch screen information, and your heated seats. If you'd like any more information on this car, there is much more to discuss. Give one of our sales team a call and we'll be more than happy to help.